Hi friends, today we will see speed, time and distance related problems. After the last class, many of you suggested me to do a separate class for the basics of speed, time and distance. So as per your suggestions, I have divided this topic into two parts. In this part 1, we will see the basics of speed, time and distance, and in our next class, which will be on Saturday, we will dive deep into this topic and we will solve some of the previous year questions. To solve speed, time and distance related questions, you need to remember this diagram. Using this diagram, we can easily remember three formulas. Let us see how. The formula to find distance is speed into time. To find speed, the formula is distance by time. Similarly, to find time, the formula is distance by speed. So easy, right? Just remember this diagram. We will solve some of the examples now. Example 1. If Joshua drives his car at a speed, then the time taken by him to cover 900 kilometers is. So what you have to find? You have to find the time taken. So as per the diagram, what is the formula to find time? Time is equal to distance by speed. Before applying the value, you have to find whether all the values are given in kilometer. So kilometer per hour. Here also they have given kilometer, and in the statement and then the answers also they have given hour. So what you have to do, you just have to apply the value here. Distance 900 divided by speed is 150. So 0, 0, 15 fours are 90. So the time taken by him to cover 900 kilometers is 4 hours. So option A is the right answer. Right? Let us see the next example. A cyclist covers a distance of 40 kilometers in 2 hours. What is the speed of the cyclist? So here we have to find the speed of the cyclist. Draw the diagram D, S, T. So you have to find speed. The formula to find the speed is distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Again, check whether they have given all the things in the kilometer and hour. Yes, kilometer, hour, kilometer and hour. Okay. So you don't have to convert anything, just apply the value here. Distance 40 divided by time 2. So 20. So the speed of the cyclist is 20 kilometer per hour. Option B is the right answer. Right? Let us move on to the next example. Example 3. A man walking from city A to city B at the rate of 5 km per hour reaches the city B in 2 hours. So what is the distance from city A to city B? Here we have to find the distance between city A and city 2. D, S, T. So to find the distance, the formula is speed into time. So distance equal to speed into time. Here all the values are given in kilometer per hour and kilometer. So just apply the value. Speed is equal to 5 into time 2 hour. 10 kilometer. So the answer is option B, 10 kilometer. Okay. Now you understood, right? How to apply the formula and find speed, time and distance. Right? Let us see the next example. A car is running at a speed of 108 km per hour. What distance will it cover in 15 seconds? We have to find the distance covered by the car in 15 seconds. So what is the formula for distance? Speed into time. Before that, we have to see here, they have given kilometer per hour here and seconds here. Also in the answers, they have given meters. So what you have to do, you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? So instead of multiplying 108 into 1000, we will do one technique. So kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 by 3600. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, right? So 0 0 5 2s are 10, 18 2s are 36. 5 by 18. So hereafter, whenever we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we will multiply the value into 5 by 18, right? You have to remember this. Hereafter, whenever we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we will multiply the value by 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 meter per second. Therefore, 108 kilometer per hour is equal to 108 into 5 by 18, which is equal to 108 into 5, that is 540 divided by 18. So 118 is 18, 3 18s are 54, 0, that is 30 meter per second, which is the car can cover 30 meter per second in 1 second, right? So we have to find the distance the car will cover in 15 seconds. So distance the car will cover in 15 seconds is 15 into 30 meters. So 15 into 30, 450 meters. So option C is the right answer. Yes. Let us move on to the next example. An athlete runs 200 meters race in 24 seconds. His speed is So we have to find the speed according to the diagram d s t. So to find the speed, the formula is distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Apply the value 200 time 24. So 3 8s are 24. 25 8s are 40. 200. Okay. So 25 8s are 200. 25 by 3 meter per second. So here we have meter per second, and in the answer we have kilometer per hour. So we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. In the previous example, we saw to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, what we did? We multiplied it with 5 by 18, right? Similarly, in our example 5, here we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. So we will use the reciprocal value of 5 by 18. 25 by 3 into 18 by 5. 1 5 is 5, 5 5 are 25, 1 3 is 3, 6 3 are 18, which is 5 into 6, 30 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the athlete is 30 kilometer per hour. So option D is the right answer. Yes. Example 6. If a bus travels 160 kilometer in 4 hours and a train travels 320 kilometer in 5 hours at uniform speed, then what is the ratio of the distances traveled by them in 1 hour? Read the question again. Then what is the ratio of the distances traveled by them in 1 hour? So they are indirectly asking you the speed. For example, if I say my car is traveling 60 kilometer per hour at uniform speed, which means I can travel 60 kilometer in 1 hour, right? Speed of the train. So what is the formula to find speed? ds t. So what is the formula? The speed is equal to distance by time. Here the distance is equal to 160 kilometer. Time is equal to 4 hours. Speed is equal to distance by time. (160 by 4). So 4 4s are 16, 40. So speed of the bus is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Similarly, the speed of the train, here the distance equal to 320 kilometer. Time is equal to 5 hours. So speed of the train is equal to distance by time, 320 by 5. 64 5 sir 5 4 sir 20, 6 4 6 5 sir 30, 32, right? So 64 speed of the train is equal to 64 kilometer per hour. So we have to find the ratio now. 40 is to 64. 5 eights are 40, 8 eights are 64, right? The ratio of the distances traveled by them in 1 hour is 5 is to 8. So the option B is the right answer. So remember one thing, they have given the bus first, right? And the train the second. So you have to write bus first and train second. If you interchange this, you will get the wrong answer. You will get the answer like 8 is to 5, and you will tick option A is the right answer. But option A is the wrong answer. So always write what is given in the first and what is given in the second when solving the answer. Next example. Example 7. Mr. Kumar drives to work at an average speed of 48 km per hour. The time taken to cover the first 60% of the distance is 10 minutes more than the time taken to cover the remaining distance. How far is his office? So you have to find the distance. So let us take Kumar takes t minute to cover 40% of the distance. Then he takes t plus 10 minute to cover the remaining 60% of the distance. Now t plus 10 by t is equal to 60 by 40. 3 2s are 6. That is t plus 10 by t is equal to 3 by 2. Now cross multiply this. 2t plus 20 is equal to 3t. 3t minus 2t is equal to 20 is equal to t. Therefore, t is equal to 20. Now, the time required to complete the journey is equal to 2t plus 10. 2 into 20. T is equal to 20, right? 2 into 20 plus 10, which is 50. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. 50 minutes. Now we have to find total distance covered. Distance equal to speed into time. So what is the speed? Average speed of 48 km. So 48 into 50. So we have minutes here. right? In the question they have given hour. So 50 by 60. 0 by 0. 1666. 6 8s are 48. So 8 into 5 is equal to 40 kilometer. So the total distance covered is equal to 40 kilometer. Option B is the right answer. Example 8. Read the question. A bus is moving at a speed of 30 km per hour ahead of a car with speed of 50 km per hour. How many kilometers apart are they if it takes 15 minutes for the car to catch the bus? A bus is moving at a speed of 30 km per hour ahead of car. So car is here, bus is here. So car is also traveling with the speed of 50 kilometer per hour. How many kilometers apart are they if it takes 15 minutes for the car to catch the bus? So 15 minutes to catch the bus. So we have to find the distance between them. So the relative speed of the bus and car is equal to 50 minus 30, that is 20 kilometer per hour. So we can assume distance traveled by car to catch the bus is equal to distance traveled in 15 minutes. Right? Distance equal to d s t. So distance is equal to speed into time. So we know the speed 20 km per hour, relative speed, right? 20 km into time. Here they have given 15 minutes and here they have given hour. So we have to convert 15 minutes into hour. Is equal to 0 0, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 5 3s are 15. So distance equal to 5 kilometer. So option A is the right answer. Yes, option A is the right answer. So in the previous example, we saw average speed. In this example, we have seen the relative speed, right? So with this, we are concluding this video. I hope you understood how to apply the formula and find speed, time and distance now. In our next class, we will see the previous year questions of CSAT. There are many other things to learn in this topic and we will learn them in our next class, which is on Saturday. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. You can also send your suggestions to us. You will get the practice worksheet of today's class in our Telegram channel at Labasana Dreams Official. Practice them. I will see you in the next class.